Shidim Shari. Morning, Thursday, June 20th, 2024. Big econ morning, okay? So from 7:30 a.m. onward to 9 o'clock, a ton of econ data. So whatever is going on with pre-market, take it with a grain of salt because the big mover is going to be, of course, jobless claim, continuing jobless claim. And I believe, let me look. I think the other slew of econ data is housing related. Let me see. All right, let me see. I take that back. 8:30, not 7:30. 8:30. The reason why I said 7:30, believe it or not, the Fed releasing all this data doesn't care about daytime saving and all that stuff. You know, like when we shift the clock back and forth 1 hour, they don't. So there will be time during the year where these data come out at 7:30. I think, you know, I think I could be completely wrong, but okay, here we go. Building permits, housing starts, initial jobless claim, Philly Fed manufacturing, all kind of stuff, new orders, also oil, crude oil, gasoline, refiner, and we have, do we have bond auction? Let me see. Gotta have bond auction. How else will we pay the politician in DC? They need to get their paycheck, right? Crooked, corrupted. But we have a 5-year auction, yeah. Of course. Can imagine a day when the government is running without the Fed printing money. It's so pathetic. It's so disgusting. Okay, so we have 17-week bill auction, 4-week bill auction, 8 weeks bill auction. Oh my God, all kind. Okay, billions, in the billions. That's how much it costs to run this country. So yeah, there is not a chance that this Fed is not the Fed, Yellen, the Treasury. Okay, the Fed is a different issue, but when you see all this bond auction on a daily basis to raise billions and billions and billions, it's a Miss Yellen printing money to pay for all the politicians that she want to please. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. All right, let's focus real quick and get done real quick. I want to talk about natural gas, liquefied natural gas, and natural gas all together. Last trading days, I got out. LNG. It had been a favorite play for the past 3 months in this energy sector. It had been easy to buy below 155, right? If you buy 155 and below, okay, you had so many chances. You got to be quick, okay? Buy small, sell fast. Of course, 162 and above, you out. Over the past 3 to 4 months, if you were religious in placing your buy order at 155 and below and sell at 162 and above, you could have done this half a dozen times. Half a dozen times. Okay? Holy cow, you could easily make $5, a 2 or 3% trade, half a dozen times over the span of the last 4 months. So yeah, it's back. Okay, so I'm out, and once again, my order is in. I start to buy even before 155. Okay, 156 all the way down to 154. That's where my 3 orders are sitting. I don't mind buying at 156, and I certainly don't mind buying at 154. I don't have anything below it, but if it ever, go below 154, I might even go buying a lot bigger. so far because it has not got down to the 152 level. So I think all the order that I had at 153 and 152 has expired. But for now, I'm out. But I got my eyes on CHK. It is coming down. I like it here. I like it here. Okay, so yes, it has been nothing but a cascade red candles. I wouldn't mind seeing a nice green candle today. Hopefully not a god candle like this, right? A little green candle is okay to show stabilization. We don't need to see one of these big god candle and miss out. Okay, so yeah, but if you want to take a nibble here, I like it. Okay, CHK, Chesapeake. I have not liked it for a long time compared to LNG, but now it is time. All right. Last of this, CTRA, a much smaller player. Now, for those that follow me on CTRA for the past year, right? I was a fan, no doubt, down here. Okay, and follow the trend, right? It's very obvious that right now it's a range. This is in the low end of the range. Okay, so would I buy it below 27? Yeah. Below 26? Yes. That might be one that I'm more likely to buy this morning in the 26, order down even the 26 is between 26.37 and where it is now, 27. Yeah, I don't mind at all. Okay, as far as selling anything 28.5 and above. So if you can grab some, I would try to grab some at 26.5, 26.6, and see if I can get out $2 higher. $2. You can do the math, okay? 8.5%, 9%. If you're able to do that over the last 3 months, you would get, once again, half a dozen times. There are ways to make really decent money if you know what you are looking at. Okay, so for now, yeah, but given what we see here and how volatile this energy section is, this is not the kind of thing where you go all in and buy 6 figures, 7 figures worth of stuff. Okay, you buy 4 figures worth of money into something like this because yeah, you can make 8%. It had been great. I missed out. Okay, I missed out. I was focused on LNG over the same time frame, but in hindsight, a bigger percentage could have been had with CTRA. No doubt, it is a much riskier play, but still decent. Okay, real decent play. And that's it for today. My eyes on CTRA and Chesapeake.